I went to my local Dollar Tree and I found this mini gel lamp. This is what it looks like all put together and the lights are on. So, I mean, it is a pretty nice size, but does it actually cure your nail polish? Let's find out. Okay, I did my base work. I'm going to go in with my base coat now. And this is the OPI base coat. And I'm just going to do a super thin layer. And we will see if this actually cures or not. Okay, so that base coat is on. I'm going to stick it under and I'll check back in 30 seconds. Okay, so it looks super glossy and it definitely cured. So I'm going to do my whole hand and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Does it cure layers or not? Final thoughts on this gel lamp. Here are my nails. It cured every single coat and did an amazing job. It was only $1.25. You don't need a cord. You don't have to plug it in. It's super thin, so it's travel friendly. Honestly, this is amazing. For $1.25, you really cannot beat this. I'd say go get one now.